1 kilowatt is equal to how many watts? 1,000 watts. What law describes the most fundamental or basic relationships in an electrical unit? Ohm's law. What are the three elements of Ohm's law? Voltage, current, and resistance. How could you write Ohm's law as an equation? E equals IR, R equals E divided by I equals E divided by R. If the resistance in a DC circuit remains the same but voltage doubles, what happens to the amount of current flowing in the circuit? It also doubles. In DC circuits, what unit measures power? Watts. What three elements are required to form an electrical circuit? The source, a load, and wiring. DC circuits can take one of three forms or types. What are they? Series, parallel, and complex, or series parallel. A 24-volt lead acid battery has how many cells? 12. A fully charged lead acid battery has a specific gravity that varies between what two values? 1.275 and 1.3. You must apply a correction to the specific gravity reading of the electrolyte of a lead acid battery when the temperature is outside of what two values? Whenever the temperature is less than 70 degrees or more than 90 degrees Fahrenheit. What is the reason for having separate facilities for storing and servicing NiCad and lead acid batteries? The electrolyte in the two types of batteries is chemically opposite, and the fumes from one type can contaminate the electrolyte of the other type. The state of charge of a NiCad battery cannot be determined by measuring the specific gravity of the electrolyte. For what reason? There is no significant change in the specific gravity of the electrolyte as the battery is charged or discharged. What is the principal advantage of AC over DC current? Power can be transmitted over long distances more effectively and with smaller wiring because the voltage can be easily increased or decreased by a transformer. What are the three causes of opposition to current flow in an AC circuit? Resistance, inductive reactance, and capacitive reactance. Define inductance. An induced voltage which is opposite in direction to the applied voltage. What component creates capacitance in an AC circuit? A capacitor. How does a capacitor store electricity? The energy is stored in the form of electrostatic charge or a field that exists between two conductors separated by an insulator. What property of an AC circuit is defined by the term impedance? The total opposition to current flow. What are two reasons that might cause a NiCad battery to fail to deliver its rated capacity? Faulty cells or cell imbalance. What electrical values are measured by a typical multimeter? Voltage, current, and resistance.